President Biden announces new rules he says are designed to make sure insurance companies are complying with the law while also expanding the number of healthcare providers. Skylar Henry has details.
President Biden says insurance carriers need to do more to provide mental health coverage.
For all those brave enough and strong enough to seek help, and I mean that, brave enough and strong enough to seek help, we have to do better.
Biden and many advocates say insurance policies restrict patient access to the care they need.
In 2020, less than half of all adults with mental illness diagnosis received care for it. Less than half. For children, the number's even worse.
He announced new rules which would require insurers to study whether their plans are following the law and make changes where necessary. They're meant to end restrictive policies such as prior authorization requirements and smaller networks of providers, which limit patients' abilities to seek help.
People with insurance are twice as likely to have to go out of network for mental health care compared to physical health care.
The pandemic itself was a national stressor.
The American Psychological Association says in the months following the pandemic, demands for more mental health services are up.
So then the ripple effect of something like that, does that then require or call for more mental health professionals?
We really need to look at how mental health care is delivered, period. We need to have access to specialty care when people's symptoms and struggles overwhelm their capacity to cope. We also need to figure out mechanisms to get care to individuals before they get to the breaking point. And we don't really have a good system for that either.
But experts say the administration's push is a step in the right direction. Skylar Henry, CBS News, the White House.